Yes, guys. Hello, everyone. Our live session starts. So I'm gonna go ahead and share my chat. Soon to the collate. Hey guys. Yo, journalism direction. Hello. In the live TikTok, we're gonna go on the video call. Hello. Is my audio clear? Yeah. Yes, TikTok. Tap the screen, share the live to friends and family. Richie. Tap the screen, share the live. Tap the screen, share the live. Trading gold. What's your bias on gold? What's your bias on gold? Share the link. This is gold 30. So you want gold to slope down up to these levels. Yep, trying to catch a retracement, but it is bullish. Trading ZAR USD, tap the screen, our YouTube. You can ask questions, guys. Yesterday we had a signal in a premium group. I didn't go live. It was a loss as well, and that marks 2 losses in a row. But we are we've had 4 trades this week, 2 wins, then 2 losses. So let's see how it goes. Yes, TikTok, tap the screen, share the live. This is non-financial advice. It's just it's for educational purposes. Trading is so risky. You have to have strict risk management in order for you to succeed in this game. So we are waiting for our setup. I think gold is still on an uptrend. Yeah, gold is still going up. But yeah, we think it's going to retrace deeper. Let's just watch and see. You can drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's discuss and see. You can drop your prediction if you think it's going to go up, whether you think it's going to go down. Yeah, provided you have something to back you up. So I think we are going to buy gold. We're gonna buy gold. What do you guys think? We're sketching for a perfect setup on our M30. That's it. I think it's having short-term sells, and then we continue to the upside. That's Cyro shots photography. Yep, maybe it is going to go down because that's also my bias. But you know, the market is up, it's trending up. You don't know where it's going to retrace from. So we got our confirmation and we are entering right about now. Yes, guys, risk accordingly. Just don't over risk your accounts. I'm going to provide the SL TP in the premium group, and after I'll update you guys. But if you can watch the trading view, you can know where to buy or sell from. But yeah, for us, we know it's buys now because our system has provided buys. So SL is at 4919, TP at 4973. Manage risk. So SL at 4919.93. TP 4975.32. So make sure you manage risk, guys. Don't over risk. This will be our last trade for the week. This is gonna be our last trade for the week. Yeah, TP is at 4975, 4975, 4975. Manage your risk, guys. You take 0.01 more account you. We charge him man. Trading. You help me first check on YouTube and see if it's back. So, guys, the one thing you need to know, if you enter a trade, it's either going to be a loss or a win. So we don't have any control over that. What we have control over is the risk management. Yep. So let's watch and see how this trade plays out. Let's watch and see how it plays out. Tap the screen. Share the live. Bashwanda, how are you? Tap the screen, guys. Tap the screen. Yep, we are trading gold. We do trade gold every day. I'm going to take you through our trading account on HFM. This account we use to trade the signals. I always share with you guys. Every day I share signals with the premium group members. I feed them signals every day. And if you want to track the signal performance, all you have to do is head over to YouTube, subscribe. YouTube is working very well. You share, help me share the link. What's for share the link in the what's up? Bajukis. Yeah, right now gold is shooting up, and if you have missed out on the trade, don't panic, don't do anything. If it comes back to entry, if it comes back down to entry, you enter. Like it's coming back to entry. Yep, if it comes back to entry, you enter. Risk management fast. It might reverse and take you out. You don't need to risk what you're not what you can't afford to lose. Yeah, always risk what you afford, like what you're willing to lose, because if you're not willing to lose that money and you make a loss, it's going to sting you, it's going to hurt you. Of course, we are humans, losses are always going to sting. So gold is back to entry. You can buy. Keep your SL at 4919.93. Meanwhile, you can ask questions on TikTok. You're also live on Twitch. Hello, Twitch. How are you guys doing? Excuse me. Peter G joined. Yes, Peter, you're welcome. We are trading FXAU USD. gold. So if you're a trader and you're looking for a community to trade, we have a good community. Check our link in bio. We have the best community around. Yep, always delivering what you need to hear. So keep on tapping the screen, guys. Let's go to 10K. 10K. That's when I'm going to show you my account. The account we are growing from 10K to 1 million USD. So everything is documented, everything is recorded. This is not scam. Yep, and I do this every day. I come here, I get losses. I come here, I get wins. I keep it consistent. You get? So this is not scam. I'm trying to do the real craft, trying to trade, compounding this money, and I know it's possible with discipline. So I don't want you guys to let losses define your trading. Yep, you just need to manage them because they are part of this. You're going to lose, you're going to win. So that's what you need to learn from me. So even when I'm losing, I'm comfortable because I know in the long run I'm going to win. So this would be our last trade for the week. This would be our last trade for the week. So if you want to join the community, the link is in bio. YouTube, keep on asking, are you question? Is someone asking, are you Kenyan? No, I'm not Kenyan. I'm Ugandan. Yep, Ugandan trader. Tap the screen. We are buying gold. Let's go. If you have friends and they don't know how to trade and they are looking for a cool mentor, then I'm really eager to help people who are passionate about this business to teach you the real trading craft because I know Ugandans are smart. If you really know what to do, if you get the right knowledge, you guys are going to be rich. You're going to make it. You're going to make it. Yeah. So I'm looking for people with ambition, hardworking people with passion. You follow me. Let's build the best community. And I know it's going to work out. Yep. There are stuff of flipping accounts in a short time. I'm not going to promise you short-term money. This game, you need to work hard for it to become profitable. You need to work so hard. You need to sacrifice the hours, put in the nights, backtest your system. Like I told you guys, I do backtest every day. For me to produce such quality signals and for me to be precise, I do a lot of work behind the scenes. For me to have this mindset, the mindset I have, it's not something easy. You just don't build this mindset in a very short time. It takes time and experience. So seeing money, losing 3 days in a row, and you're still calm, you're not doing any mistakes, it's something not many can do. So if you want to be in the top 1%, if you want to do what the top 1% are doing, you're not going to find it on any other social media platform or channel or Telegram or community apart from this one. Yep, I've made my analysis. It's me who does this, who teaches you guys, who shows you the bad side of trading, losses. I'm always here with you even when we are losing. I'm not going to shy away or run away. I'm still going to come back and trade, lose again, come, win, win, win. So that's how we trade, you get? So if you have friends, you just refer them to us, our channel. Ooh. So you guys are rushing to go place gold buys. Bagenda bakuba. I told you ngekyaderi wansi. So if you have a late entry, then that's not perfecting the system. You guys need to have perfect entries. Yeah. Yeah. Where is your TP? Carlos Ryan Wako. My TP is at 4973.69. 4973.69. That's where my TP is. The mask fellow. You're Ugandan as well. Yeah, I'm Ugandan. And very soon we are organizing a seminar. But first, I want to organize an event in Barara. Though the Barara guys aren't responsive for that, so I might change the idea to Kampala. Don't you see, guys? We make our first seminar in Kampala. Yep. We meet at some hotel. We discuss this. That would be nice as well. But let's see how Barara people respond to it. So if you're someone who collects 1 hour, then you will collect. I'm gonna alert you on when to collect 1 hour is about here, just in case it goes up. I'm not like so certain it's going to go up. Trading is a game of probabilities. It might go down, it might go up. It's all about being. Ojilo ginze in. GDK. Next week, and next week you miss out. Guys, tap the screen. Let's get to 5K. If you're not tapping the screen, the live is not going to grow. If you want it to grow, if you want me to become consistent, you need to motivate me. Keep on tapping the screen if you've already entered. Yep. Or YouTube, or you can head over on YouTube. We discuss, ask questions, because YouTube has a very nice experience. You can watch from your TV as you're typing with your phone. Yeah. You should make a seminar when students are in holidays, because man, I have missed enough seminars. Oh, Carlos, you're at school. Okay, holidays. Okay. We're in holidays. February. When are students going back to school? I really don't know. In February. But students are below 18. They are not allowed to trade. So let me show you the account. We had 2 losses in a row. This is our 3rd trade. And it will be our 3rd loss in a row if it doesn't hit our targets. Let me first connect the monitor. Yes, guys, I'm going to keep consistency in live trades. So yeah, it's going up, but you just don't need to get excited, because yeah, HDMI. Let me first install the HDMI. So guys, what do you think about the Kampala seminar? Should we make it happen? What do you think? Or should we first grow the account to 30K? I want us to grow the account to like 30K. This account, which I'm going to share to you, we grow it to like 30K, and then we think about making a seminar. What do you say, guys, about it? Who's in the trade? If you're in the trade, you can drop a thumbs up or a like. Keep on liking the stream. We're also streaming on Twitch. Twitch is not yet popular in Uganda. I don't know why. Okay, let me show you the account. It's like floating into profits. I'm going to show you. I'm trying to share it. If you missed out, maybe you should wait for a retracement to enter. I wouldn't recommend you guys to buy from that zone. I'm up 42 pounds. Yeah, keep consistent. The masked fellow, bro. Let's go. Let's go. You're keeping me motivated. I love seeing people enter the signals. I don't want you to sit there dormant. I want you to be consistent, actually. Show up all the time. Join the Telegram premium group. It's very easy and free to join. Yeah, because you don't need to miss out on anything. Is my network clear on YouTube? You guys should let me know. Well, it's finally going to show. Let me share the account. The guys on Restream can't see it. Yes, I'm clear. But are you seeing the account? Yep, that's our account. We are currently floating $75. Yep, so I'm going to give you a quick breakdown on this account, how we've been trading it, history. We started trading it in clearly on TikTok. Head over to YouTube, subscribe to our YouTube channel, FXAU. This history is for the last 3 months. We have history for the last 3 months. Okay, so we deposited $10,000. We deposited $10,000 2025 November 5th. That's what we deposited. Now let's check YouTube, guys. I'm not seeing YouTube, guys. I'm not seeing the profits. I'm hiding the profits. So I'm just gonna increase the size. Yeah, I guess you can see now very clearly. So we deposited $10,000 in. Yep, we have our first trade was a $41 loss from 5th of November up to 6th of November. So 6th still in the morning we had our first win on that account, and also 6th still this is another second position. So in trade I did a total of like $2,000 because we had lost about. I was risking. Actually, I started out aggressively because I wanted this. I had this account. Like me and my friend, my trading partner, who are building something that can scale up capital aggressively and fast if you apply risk management and discipline. So we decided to deposit this, fund it, and leave this account compound. Our target is 1 million USD this year. So at first we started like risking aggressively. We had strong belief in the system, but they hit us and we hit back again. The team has a good strong win rate. You're not going to lose all the time. You're going to win. Bro, I trade even at school illegally. Yeah, Carlos, man, you're legendary, man. You trade at school. Which class? Which class, bro? $700 as well. So that's the we made crazy profits right there. We made crazy profits. So we decided on recalibrate and design new risk management and money management rules. So we decided to always risk 2% of the account and see it compound instead of 10% or 5%. So started risking $200 per trade, and the maximum trades for the day were 3. So it had like 3 losses. It's $200, so it's like 500. It was November 7th. If you want this account, you can check it out on my FX book. The link is in this description of this YouTube video. So you can go and check it out. We a break again, came back on the 11th or on the 21st. I don't know if I'm just scrolling fast. Okay, so you see this after this low 100 say win. So I want you guys to know that you're always going to lose. You're not going to win all the time. Losses are part of this game. They shouldn't scare you. They shouldn't do anything to you. You need to know that this is a loss. It's part of the game. And losing streaks too. Lose 4 times in a row, 3 times in a row. That's a losing streak. Just take a break. Maybe a streak would have disappeared. Are you in the trade right now? Yeah, we are in the trade. Let's see how much we are floating. Floating, that's the profits we are floating. So still showing trade count, but so far in from November up to now, we managed like 5,887.13. So these are the last trade I had. We've had 3 consecutive. This was yesterday. minus 400. Yeah, this was Tuesday, I remember, 21st. Yeah, yesterday was 22nd. Today is Friday, 23rd. So Trump was like $1,000 that day. So yesterday we 100. So today is the trade, last trade of the week. So let's look at the weekly results. This week, custom period. What's your biggest losing streak? Maybe 2 weeks. 2 weeks is the biggest, but you can find scenarios of having losing months. Yeah, that's when maybe you're messing up with your strategy. You can go 3 full months losing. Okay, let's look at last week. This week, these are the trades we've taken. The first trade on Monday was it? It was a win. So we had another trade as a win. Then Wednesday we had a loss. We increased the risk. We went a bit aggressive because we've been winning all the way from way back. We've been winning, so we decided to start risking 5% from 2% to 5% or 8%, 10% maximum for the day. So on Wednesday we lost 10%. Yesterday we cut risk to 5%. We lost $400, and today we also risked. Let me see how much we risked, like $300. We didn't go so aggressive today. You can check here. $363 today. We didn't go so aggressive. Yep. It's just all about regulating your losses and your wins. Not bad profits. Yeah, not bad profits for the week. $116 for the week. Yep. Trading for a full week and you're up 370K. Not so many people can make that, but yeah. And this, I don't feel like I feel like I'm at BE for the week. I don't feel like I've made money because for the week I'm always up 1K, 1,500, 2,000 a week. Yeah. But let's see how this trade goes. Maybe it will add us up to, let me see the peak TP. So TP, this is not financial advice, just for educational purposes. I'm just showing you my account to know how we trade. Yeah, and just to remove that narrative of trading is scam, it doesn't work, but it's working for me if you're consistent. This is 3 months of consistently making money every month. Okay. $635 in profits. That's what we want. And we'll be up like $700 for the week, which is not bad. Could you please share the SL and TP? SL and TP, okay. But you're getting a late entry unless you wait for it to reverse. Let me share the trading view back on trading view chat, maybe, for you guys to see. So you guys on TikTok, I've shared you the trading view chat. It has SL and TP. SL is at 4919.9. TP is at 4972.43. Let's go. The trade is ranging. I hate entering a trade and it's ranging. Yep, that's the trading view screenshot for you guys on TikTok. Yeah, do you guys have questions? You can ask now. It's a session for questions. Ask interacting. Ask anything you want to know. What do you think is going to happen? We have news. Oh, I didn't know we have news. Thank you very much. Let me check Forex Factory. Thank you very much. Carlos Ryan Wako. You're so intelligent. Yep. Today is Friday, 23rd. We are trading ZAR USD, so we are looking for news affecting the USD, but I don't see any today. So, Carlos, I don't know. I had checked, just was surprised maybe I didn't check right because I always check before starting off my trading day. The news we have for the day, but I don't see anything today. Maybe I'm mistaken. Can you please? Maybe I'm checking it. Have you entered the trade? Yeah, we have entered, Alan. We've entered the trade. We have news. Yeah, 5:45. We have flash manufacturing PMI. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove my TP on funding pips because when it hits during news, I'm not going to get my profits. So I'll have to remove that take profit right now. Take profit is on the phone. Yep, for those guys who wanted to buy, you can now still buy, but keep the SL at 4919.91. If you get taken out, call it a week, come back on Monday. Yep. If you have a prop farm account, make sure you follow the rules that align with trading news because you have news coming in. Manage your risk, guys. If you're entering, don't panic. Use strict risk management. So we still have more 30 minutes. I still have more 30 minutes with you. Don't get scared. I'm here to help you with the psychological part of trading mostly. So you guys need to use me because I'm a pro at psychology. Yeah, been studying psychology, trading psychology for a really long time. Trust me, I know what to do. I know what to tell you. So if you're suffering with psychology, maybe I'm the guy you should reach out to. Yes, we are back. Back. We have 25 minutes. Do you offer one-on-one psychology mentorship? Yeah, we do. So we're going to be here up to when the trade hits TP, or up to when 25 minutes. How do you confirm an entry when you're taking a trade? That's reserved for my class, guys. Once again, I'm not supposed to reveal the stuff I teach my students because they paid me money. So me telling you that for free is actually not going to sound good in their ears. What is the price for that? The price is $100. Anti ogiraba gye tugiringiriza. Yes, motivational edits, you got the price. You guys can ask questions if you really want to ask anything trading related. I'm a professional trader, can help you out. Also have a trading psychology class to see trading is doing this and I'm still buying and calm. I'm scared, but I know there's some people out there who are scared. Oh, it's going to hit SL. Oh, then let me shift to BE, or let me take these profits. Because you guys are trading, you don't have a system, but I've backtested this system. I know in the long run, if I don't tamper with anything, it's going to provide. No questions on TikTok. Keep on tapping the screen. How do you confirm an entry? Why does an error? Maybe XAU USD is crashing. Maybe it does crash. I don't know. I've not seen it crashing. Maybe people are selling off their positions because it's trending up. So there are people scared that it's not going to go up, it's going to go down, and then they sell off. And if they are big players, you're going to see a very big spike to the downside. Make sure you join our Telegram community. And if you're on YouTube, subscribe, guys. When do you hold these meetings on psychology? But yeah, you just need to ask me. If you see me live, you can ask me, I will answer anything. But yeah, the meetings mostly in the trading psychology class. Though it's not easy, it's hard. I have like 13 students in that class and they're not actively doing what they need to do. They all gave up because what it takes to become the top 1%, not everyone is able to do it. So they fall off. I don't know why. They're not meant for this. They're not meant for this. This is just for strong people. If you can hold, become strong, you will succeed. And this is easy money. See, if that trade hits TP, we are making $700. We're already floating $200. And this is only one account I'm showing you. I have many accounts. I have prop farm accounts, bigger accounts. I don't speak about that money. Yeah, it's safe you guys to know that if you risk money the way you need to risk it, you're going to become profitable and it's going to scale up. And also, what next? So guys, make sure you spread the word. We do trade every day. In your groups, you can share links to the group. You share this link to your group, the communities you're in. Sensitize people to come. Share the YouTube, actually. It's more nice. We are yet to hit 1 hour. This is where some of the people will start collecting profits off, but I'm not collecting up to 2 hour. It needs to hit my profit. We have news. So I'm checking something. At 6, I'm going to gym. I have to go to gym. So you guys don't need to panic on anything about anything. 4938. Oh, I've already made $100. So the news, it's not even volatile. It's not volatile. I thought it was going to be volatile. It's not. So I don't know. Once again, TP is at 4972. 4972. That should be your TP. 4972 is Uh, it's supposed to be UTP. How much for the mentorship? $100 for the psychology. And if you're green, you don't know anything, $300 for the full mentorship course. Let me come back. Should break. It's going up. We are making history. Yes, we are live. We are live and making money. Who's missing out? Who is missing out? Someone is missing out. Make sure you join the FXAU group to enjoy your profits. TP1 hit. TP1 hit. Collect profits, collect partials. Personally, I'm going to collect some trades, so I don't want to stay in the trade. What I have many accounts, so you collect some, leave some. It's always good. You leave money. Yeah, not to leave money on the table. Yep, that means TP1 hit. TP1 hit, and we are live. Currently floating $300 on my account. Share the signal live here. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Yep, signal. So let's get back to our account. Normally, you missed some feedback. Are you entering? Have you entered? How much for mentorship? I told you guys. If you want to learn the same system I'm using, I'm willing to teach to you. Just DM me. It's all real. And I also give out free signals. Just check out that Telegram link in the description. So now it's question and answer session. Now that we are done, you guys can set BE and just let the trade run. Or if you someone who doesn't like BE, you can leave the trade to hit SL if in case it reverses. So what do you guys say? You have any questions? No questions? I'm going to go off because we already have like 10 minutes for the live to end. We can use this 10 minutes for you guys to ask me questions. When do you, I don't see any new questions. These are old questions. So I'm going to go in the next 5 minutes if I don't get a question. Just going to gym, maybe to just gym helps me maybe build a different kind of mindset. I also love running, though I want to now start gaining mass or some weight, and my coach advised I should stop or pause running and focus on eating food. Yep. So I can grow or get that body I want. Should I show you the body I want? Maybe that will be for next week, Monday or tomorrow when we are reviewing. Okay, I'm just gonna drop a video reviewing trades in the FX Premium because it's been really long without dropping any video on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe if you don't wanna miss out on the content that's coming in. Gold is still going up, but before we have like now 8 minutes. No one is asking. You guys are not serious. Okay, YouTube, I've shared you the account. That's the account. That's how much we are floating. I'm not closing up to TP. It's either gonna hit my SL or it's going to go to TP. Then TikTok, you guys are not tapping the screen. We're still at 1,000. So TikTok, bye. You guys are not serious. Yeah, we're gonna do vlogs. The trading life. We're gonna do vlogs a lot. Yeah, we're gonna do vlogs. So just subscribe to the channel. Yeah, actually, that last video is a vlog. How you can rate it for me on a scale of 1 to 10. We will meet on Monday, or if I have time on the weekend, I'll just come in for maybe psychology and also reviewing the trades if I don't shoot the video, but I'm probably gonna shoot it. So I'm off on TikTok. They are not asking questions. So let's see YouTube. Are you guys asking questions? Yep. How do you think running helps with trading? It helps you build mental resilience, and when you're mentally tough, you're going to resist these bad thoughts that will lead into blowing an account. Yeah. Any other way to get into premium? Yes, you use HFM, or if you don't want to use by HFM, you can pay $30 per month. Yep, $30 per month for you to join the premium. In Europe, oh sorry, Hanron, then you're going to pay $30 per month. But DM me, Haron, DM me on Telegram. You have Telegram in Europe. Yes, DM me on Telegram, Haron. So guys, I'm not asking questions. I'm going to go off. I'm off to gym. Bye.